Hi guys, I cannot talk because I'm afraid this one will fall off. Because today I'm gonna pull off my tooth and I'm gonna try to punch my sister's face. Like, cause I'm nag-watching and my dad.
Show your tooth.
This
pull a
is
bit.
your.
Pull a bit.
And
It's to ano ba? Tulos na
Oh,
ba?
sorry.
Ayos na.
I was trying to say this to them. I want to tell you to the door. Or there's something that slammed it on and come out.
Is it really moving?
Uh-huh.
Like you're almost bending it? You think you can pull it? You think you can pull it out?
Is it?
Is
Stop!
it
You're supposed to
bending?
punch me.
Ah, ah, ah.
Fun.
Are you sure? You want to do this?
I think pull it up. I think up
Can
is
I
better.
do it?
No.
I think like this.
You want to do this, do this.
Yeah, should be
Wait,
up.
Let me see. How does it move ba? Say up.
I hate
big
how you
up.
did it to me. You like secretly, you
It's
know what you did?
almost-
You know what
Pull
you
it
did,
up.
Mom? You know what
Up.
you did in my teeth? She secretly put it on her toe.
Up, up.
And then like, okay. And then mommy just kicked.
Just pull like this. Are you sure you wanna do that? Stronger.
I'm too scared.
I have to do it now.
No.
Let's get this over with.
Leave her alone. Leave her alone.
Mommy!
It's her too.